Good morning from Dubai in the United Arab Emirates. A land full of excess and luxury, they say. But today, we're gonna go somewhere a little bit different that tourists don't really tend to visit up north. So we're gonna take a metro to Dubai. So join me and see what we find. And so we are now in Jamal, the first part of our journey north deep into Deira and Dubai. So let's keep going. And hello to Al Sif. So we're just waiting for a boat to cross the river, and it's about 5 dirhams, just over £1, so not too bad. And it's about 30 degrees, which is quite cold for Dubai if a local, someone from here said, but I'm absolutely boiling after leaving the UK, 5 degrees in a winter coat. I don't know, barely handling it. So I was wrong. It's 2 dirhams, which is, I don't know, how much is 2 dirhams? It's like 50p, like 60 cents to the dollar, I guess. Dirt cheap, so let's go to across the river. And now, welcome to Deira, northern Dubai. This is the original part of Dubai before the oil money came in and made downtown in the Marina area in the south that is very famous for. And as I was complaining about the weather, it starts raining, so you really can't predict Dubai weather, even in the middle of the desert. So the reason why it rains much more frequently in the UAE, or at least Dubai, is they use I don't know, explain the scientific part of it, but they put moisture or some sort of chemical in the sky to create rain clouds and increase precipitation. So that's why Dubai can have so much more greenery than it did before. My next destination is the Gold Souk, which is right over there. So let's try and make it. Oh! Oh my god. My shoes are absolutely soaked. Okay, so we made it to the Gold Souk, and it's full of people. Oh. And it's full of people trying to hide from the rain. I've never seen it so rainy, even in the UK. So I made it to the metro and survived the rain. I was gonna do like a whole vlog about going to Al Raqqa and find a nice shawarma place for 5 dirham, but the rain just ruined it. I've never seen any rain like this, even in the UK. But I messaged some of my friends down south in the Marina area and like South Dubai, and there's no rain at all, and they thought I was lying when they said it was pouring rain. So I think I'm gonna go to south and try and just warm up. Also, the air conditioning here blasting, which would be nice if it was nice and warm outside, but since I'm wet and cold, it's just making everything much worse. So I made it to Marina, sunny Marina, and it's good to be back in the sun after that. Yeah, the thing about Dubai is, if I describe it one word, is it's extremes, especially with the weather, but also how you want to make it. So you can either like live the luxury life, like in downtown, where you see all the famous expensive things you see on the internet, or you know, this bottle of water was 1 dirham. Like, it's really how you make of it, Dubai. And I used to live here, and it's probably one of the best experiences I've ever had living here, and I'm really happy to experience it again. So I'm off to have some shisha, so catch you later.